The eastbound 80 4th Street off-ramp will be temporarily closed due to ongoing construction. During this time, please take the eastbound 87th Street off-ramp. If unable to take the 7th Street off-ramp, please use the following detour during the 4th Street off-ramp closure. Continue along eastbound 80 onto the Bay Bridge towards Yerba Buena Island. Take exit 4B to Yerba Buena Island and onto McCullough Road. Continue along McCullough Road onto the westbound 80 on-ramp. Continue along westbound 80 and take the 5th Street off-ramp to Bryan Street.